Hello everyone and welcome to today's weather update. In this video we are going to talk about a very major and significant winter storm that could spread snow from the Rockies to the northeast. The storm has already started across the northwest United States, but there is still much more to figure out about this storm. Let's start talking about the weather. As I mentioned earlier, this storm has already begun its first stages in the northwestern United States. Snow will continue developing throughout the mountainous terrain of the west throughout the day on Tuesday, and then until Tuesday night. An area of snow will break away from the mountains very early on Wednesday morning, bringing light snow into western Nebraska, before spreading eastward. This light snow across Nebraska will persist as it moves eastward throughout the day on Wednesday, before more snowfall moves in from the northwest. By Wednesday night, some more widespread snowfall will be over northern Kansas and southern Nebraska, when it will start growing in size and intensity. By very early on Thursday morning, it is approaching the Great Lakes region. Snow will move into northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin on Thursday afternoon, before it arrives in Michigan by the nighttime. Once we get into very early on Friday, the big storm begins. Here is the National Weather Service Hazards page. We are pretty certain about this part of the snowstorm that will impact the West, which is why the National Weather Service has issued some widespread winter weather advisories in this purple color, with a few areas under winter storm warnings in the bright pink. We also have some winter storm watches in effect in this dark bluish-gray color. The expected snowfall accumulations across the northwestern mountains shows us that many places should look out for a few inches of snow, with increasing amounts as you get higher in elevation. Some mountains in Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming may see some pretty heavy snowfall. The small area of light to moderate snow that we just looked at on the weather models will bring some accumulating snow into the central plains of the United States, with a very widespread area of a few inches of snow, with increasing amounts in southern Nebraska and northern Kansas, potentially accumulating up to 7 or 8 inches in some spots. The biggest uncertainty about this storm arises on Friday, March 11th, when a band of snowfall may bring snow as far south as the Gulf states, before swinging into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. Some model disagreement still is occurring with the exact track of this storm, as well as the snowfall accumulations. I'll definitely provide more information on model trends as we learn more about this storm, as well as snowfall accumulations. I would also like to mention that we have a concerning severe weather threat for places in the southeast on Friday, March 11th. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk from the Alabama coastline into southeastern North Carolina, which would include the threats of damaging winds, tornadoes, and hail.